How she ride?
Yeah, nigga. I give you 150. I give you 150 for it tomorrow.
Yeah, I know, cause it rides so good, don't it? Ride good, just need a tire on it.
150.
Just need a tire on it, don't it?
Yeah, I give you 150.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
like. Yeah, you see him riding good. That's a champion right there. That's a championship deal. The van made it back, and the Acura made it back too, so we good. They all made it back, so we got one more to pick up. So park that champion Buick, get the tire put on there tomorrow, man. As y'all can see, it's raining, everything, and alerts and stuff coming down on the camera. There we go. Look at that rain, sleet, or snow, man. We out here. About to pick up some cars. Y'all see the hoopties? Y'all even know what we looking for? We already passed one van. What? Oh, you looking? That Plymouth van was like right there.
Alright, I'm looking for the other van, the Acura down there.
Oh, the Acura limit.
The Acura's down there.
Where my Buick at?
Oh, they got small cars there, nigga.
That's what I said. He's also said 3.
Nah, you gotta get a good day.
Yeah, I see you about Yeah. I watched the news and she's already told me anybody want to fix you.
Look at that $200 Buick right there. Y'all see that champion? Y'all see that champion? Shit, it's better than what you bought. I'll take this Buick over what Austin bought. Look at that champion. Check the fluids on this champion. And it's got that 3800 series in there. Start it up. Start it up. See what we got. See what we got in this champion. Purring like a kitten, yeah. Ooh. Purring like a kitten, man. And I just had the compressor click on. So you might as well hop in there and follow us to the Acura. Look at that. Sound like a champion, don't you? There you go. Where'd they go? Left me. Where'd they go? Oh man, they must have left me. There you go. Oh, there you go. Woo! Damn, is that a midget knocking in there? Is that a midget? Is that a midget knocking?
Yeah, there's a midget in that motherfucker knocking. Go ahead and use the jack.
Hey, man, I'm trying to blow the motor out of there.
Yeah, man, you can open that.
He's trying to blow the motor out the Acura. There go the other van right there. Yeah, acting like it's cold. It ain't even cold. It ain't even that cold out there, man. Look at that Plymouth van, man. That's a champion. They ain't got no seats. I ain't got no third row seats. Man, you need to check the fluids in there. Make sure she was good. It's so cold out there. He don't even want to check the fluids. Yeah, man.
Like a midget was in there. Like a midget was in that fight.
That'll be alright.
Like 2 midgets.
Might just need some over here, man. There go your Acura.
I just feel it for yeah, bro, you can tell her to bring us 900 now.
Yeah.
I feel it for a little bit over.
Yeah.
I'm getting caught, folks.
Yeah, man, it's green light. Green light.
Yeah, oil in it. That's all that matters.
Alright.
That bitch is not like that, huh?
Oh yeah, that's how they get you. It's so loud in the auction, you don't know how it sounds until you get them. Hey man, it might smooth itself out. It might smooth itself out. Oh man, it's a good laugh, man, when you picking up cars, man. Where'd my dad go? Man, the glasses, rain all on the glasses. Where'd he go? Oh, man. Oh man, another day at the auction, man. Another day buying cars, man. Whew. Where'd he go? Where he going, that champion Buick over there? That yeah, I think he took an L on that one. That sound. Yeah, you might took an L on this one.
Hey, it's an L, man. I ain't even look. I wouldn't even get this to no customer, man. I feel bad.
Yeah, nah, that one to the salvage yard. You better hope they ain't got a title.
Yeah.
You might want to drive that. Yeah, you better hope you can make it back. That one sound like it's gonna be the one land.
It might be on his last day.
Yeah, it might be on them last legs out there. Yeah, you can't sell that to no customer. That was on his last leg. That one off to the graveyard. So we'll make a video when that one goes to the graveyard. Man. Oh man, look at that Buick, man. Look at that thing, man. Just need a little paint job on it. Need a paint job, tire. Hey, pop the trunk. See if that's extra tires in there. I'll tell them to pop the trunk for you. It's right here. Sorry. Yeah, I just tell them to pop the trunk for you. You know, try to make your job easier for you. You know, we don't want you working too hard now when the weather this bad.
I know, it's cold.
Pop the trunk.
That's good over here, but it ain't working. This motherfucker started though.
Grab the key for you. It's got a lot of keys on there. Find the right key for you. Dad in front of me driving the Buick is riding on behind him. I ain't seeing no shaking, no rattling or nothing. I ain't seeing no shaking, no swinging. But you can tell somebody was just driving it because they still got the tag on it. So it just been tagged recently. So, you know, so somebody was driving it. So we're going to wait till you get back to the shop and I'm going to ask them how it drove. But more than likely it drove good. It's a Buick, you know. It's a Buick. Y'all probably can't see it, man. My glasses getting all rained up and stuff, man. It's cold, it's wet, it's raining. They said it's supposed to snow. Man, it's Oklahoma for you, man. So hopefully everything is good. Hopefully it doesn't snow. I really don't want it to snow because it's snowing. And then I ain't gonna want to get out the house. But yeah, let's go pick up this last car. Hopefully I'll pick it up today. If not, then I'll pick it up another day. Let's get to it.
Bob Davis.
Yeah. Got a battery for one of them cars. Y'all know where we go. We always go. Honda's battery, man. We always go get that low, beautiful low price of $43. I always go there when the car need a battery. Go to Hunter's, get a little refurbished battery. Can't beat it. 43 bucks, 6-month warranty. That's what I buy for all my cars. Show you that battery. Okay, give you a good little battery. Look at that. Got us a starter and carry seat. Look at that. Got the starter replaced. 45. Fixed up on the starter on the car. They fixed the starter up. Got a battery. Oh, look at that. It was cheaper to buy a battery than it was to start it. This is where you go to get your starters fixed, man. It's called I don't know how to pronounce it. The dual starter and alternator. Repair batteries and all. Back round 2. So we picked up 3 and 1 ain't no good. So we already so we alright. We alright. We ain't too bad on the odds, so we just gotta pick this last one up as long as we make it. We made 3 out of 4. You know, them ain't bad odds, you know. Especially when you buying these cars, man, you never know. All these cars are gamble. You never know what the car is until you actually get it on the road, you know. Through the auction, you know, it's loud and it's cold. This is You know, cold is the best time to run a car through the auction. You know, when these people got these bad cars, they run them through when it's cold because the car don't warm up, so you can't really hear it knocking and stuff like that. And then a lot of times the auction, the drivers, they don't like revving up the car, so you can't hear. So the best thing to do, check them out, be on the outside. But yeah, look at that, a little Oldsmobile Sleet Hoe, whatever it's called. A little Premier package with some good rubber on it.
Y'all checked the oil already?
Oh man, I need a whole panel now. I didn't check the oil. How the interior? The interior look pretty good though. Oh yeah, that interior look real good. Oh no, the panel in the back. So the panel in the back, we just gotta hang it. Yeah, you pulled it, but I think this thing, it's gotta be under there. Okay, got some nice wheels and tires.
All right, check it. Well, I got it up.
All right, let's check and see what we get. We got enough oil. We got some oil in there.
Anything over here?
Yeah, some in there.
Oh yeah, we good, huh?
We good. Now we just gotta start up and see how she sounds. Start it up and see how she. See if she's gonna run. See if.
Ready.
Run. Sound like you got an exhaust leak.
Make over the
Little cosmetic. The panel in the back.
Yeah,
just hang the panel. Sound like it got a little exhaust leak when it started, like a little exhaust leak. But you know they ain't worried about it. It's cold.
This cold motherfucker out here to warm up.
Yeah, and they had the AC on anyway.
Did it?
We just put that on the feet until it warm up and we'll go. So let's get up out of here. Okay. Little. Come on, let's see what we got here. Oh snaps! There's something sound loose underneath there. Something on this passenger side. Oh well, can't be too bad. We'll see what we did. We'll see how it sound like a ball joint. Like popping, you hear that popping?
Some.
We'll see when we get it up to speed. Yeah, that's the main thing. As long as the gauges work, the temperature gauge is staying where it's supposed to be, you can always fix the other stuff, you know. Like as long as it ain't no rack and pinion or nothing like that, but it usually ain't nothing like that. It's usually just something that's small as a ball joint. Oh snaps, we got the little drop down DVD player. Oh look at that.
You bought this one?
Yep, I bought it. Need a door panel. Got a drop down DVD player. Oh yeah, we in the game. I could keep this van for myself. I can be a soccer dad. Having a van. Get the kids, put a little DVD player on there. Look at it, got the little automatic doors and stuff. Come on, let's go. I bet you gonna say a drive. That's his favorite thing to say. I bet you. Watch this. How I drive.
Drive. Just makes that noise on the front.
Yeah, it's something loose. I can hear it. I heard it when you was reversing. So I think it's something on the passenger side.
Yeah, it might be this motherfucker. It might be like that hub.
Cause look, kick the tire again. It might be the hub.
It's probably that hub.
Yeah.
It's just remember that burn like in that Nissan
yeah.
That one that gets brake caliper and stuff.
Probably is. We just have to one of these days jack it up and take the tire off of there.
And
see what to do. Hopefully it don't snow tomorrow. Hopefully we got some decent weather down there.
Somewhere down the road.
Yep. Well, it's time to close today. We're gonna close today. We're gonna lock this gate. You got the key to lock the gate? Huh?
Yeah, I think so too.
Alrighty. You got the key to lock the. Huh? Oh, yep. Put this key up, finish locking up. You know, just like that. Picked up these cars, you know. One was bad. And the other van rolled just fine. That van, maybe like a hub, tie rod in or something like that. Maybe something loose, but other than that, you know, it didn't have any service lights on. It ran and drove, it shifted good, you know, so 3 out of 4. Last week we was 5 out of 5. This week we're 3 out of 4. So really can't beat those odds, man. You know, like I always say, you can't win on every car. So don't always expect to win on every car. I mean, all you can do is do your best. You know, do your best, check them out as much as you can. You can only check them out so much when when you're dealing with the auction. You know, make sure everything is all locked up. Yep. So like I said, you can't win on every car. Best thing you can do is just make sure you check them out. Try to check them out before they come to the line. But sometimes you don't even see this car. You just see it roll through. You be like, man, that looks like a nice car. And then you go bid on it, and then it's so loud in there that you can't really hear the motor, and then they're not revving up the motor, or they're running these cars so fast that you buy a bad car. It happens to all of us. We just gonna add all the totals up, and then basically, that's basically kind of how I do it. I just add all the totals up. So basically, I don't never feel like I lost on one car. We just add them up, split them up, sell the ones, then basically, after we sell all the other ones, the good ones, after we sell all the other good ones and make profit, then you sell them into the salvage yard. It's basically like that one's profit too. So it feel like you never lost any money. But it's cold out here, people. So time for me to get home, spend some time with the kids. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.